Hello, for step one of our kindness project, we are going to create a word cloud. So to start with this, we are going to go to the link below, which is wordclouds.com. And from here, we are going to click on wizards and then type or paste text. So for this, I would like you to write at least 10 sentences, starting each one off with I am thankful for, and then you can put whatever you are thankful for, at least 10 things. So here I already had mine typed up, but just posting that in. So once I have my starting off with at least 10 sentences, I'm going to click apply. And this has created a word cloud with all my words, okay, the keywords that it picked up. So from here, I can change the theme. So we'll go with more of a Thanksgiving theme. I can change the font. You can change the shape. Maybe you'd want to have it a smiley face. Kind of a funny smiley face. So again, choose your shape. And then at this point, once you have a shape, you are going to try to center it. You might have to change the size here. So you can get all of them, all your words in your screen. At this point, you are going to take a screenshot by clicking the print screen key on your keyboard. Okay, it is a PRT SCR. So once you hit that key, it has taken a picture of your screen. At this point, you want to open a new document in the assignment, and then you are going to press Control V together to paste your screenshot. At this point, you are going to crop it. So double click on that image and then move as best as you can. Move the sides in to take a screenshot and have your picture. At this point, please copy this. So Control C for copy, or right click and select copy, and submit this document for part 1. If you have any questions, please raise your hand.